Biotech Emporium was born out of André Eckstein's lifelong passion for the development of environmentally friendly solutions. In 2002, after André Eckstein, who designed and manufactured the world-renowned Agricon pellet mill range, sold his previous business called Agricon to his brother, Johann Eckstein, Biotech Emporium was born. Talk about the benefits of renewable resources may be rife, however, the actual implementation and usage of these resources contradicts all that talk. The obstacles to environmentally friendly solutions are many-fold. Lengthy permission procedures, financing, awareness of the opportunities and technical barriers, are all standing in the way. But at Biotech Emporium we turn these obstacles into opportunities. Renowned for our groundbreaking, environmentally friendly, process and mechanical designs, Biotech Emporium was, and is being contracted by companies across the globe to find solutions for difficult problems. In 2003, André Eckstein completed a 2-year-long process development contract for Sasol. For this project he was tasked to develop a new process whereby coal dust could be converted into high-quality pellets. The project was so successful that he won the 2004 South African National Innovation Competition with this innovative new process. Biotech Emporium's in-house developed pellet mill performance and running cost calculation software gives us the capability to optimize any pellet mill for maximum efficiency on any product, thereby being true to our belief. Waste not, want not. One of our earliest projects was the development of an organic fertilizer pelleting process using composted chicken manure as a basis. Raw chicken manure was blended with other organic waste before the composting process. The ripe compost was then harvested and blended with more organic products to get the correct NPK that was required in the final product. After this, the mixture was then pelleted, sorted and packaged for the market. This production line delivered 5,000 tons of organic fertilizer pellets per month. In 2007, Biotech Emporium developed another groundbreaking organic fertilizer process using kelp pulp. This process drew a lot of attention with many magazine articles written about it. In that same year, Biotech Emporium was approached by another client who required a process to produce organic fertilizer in the form of spherical granules, similar to those chemical fertilizer granules. After some research and product development, we were able to produce the perfect granules in our laboratory. Biotech Emporium then designed and built a processing plant capable of producing 2,000 tons of granular organic spheres per month. In Finland, Biotech Emporium was asked to find an environmentally friendly answer for the problem of getting rid of used horse stable bedding during the long winter months. Our solution to this problem: a process that converts the used bedding into an organic, odor-free, and smokeless boiler fuel pellet which was then used to heat the stables. Talk about swatting 2 flies with 1 swipe. Mr. Juha Korkioha, the Minister of Agriculture for Finland at that time, visited our pilot in Plannitjärvi, Finland, where we demonstrated this unique process which was later patented and then sold to a Swedish boiler manufacturer. In 2009, Biotech Emporium went to France for the handing over of a new pelleting process we developed for an automotive rubber manufacturer. One of the products used in the manufacturing of the automotive rubber components was a very fine, white, powder that caused all kinds of bridging problems. Biotech Emporium was asked to develop a process to simplify the handling of this powder, so true to form, we developed a granulation process to turn the product into free-flowing granules. Biomass fuel pellets are a very hot item today as people want to join the green revolution. But pelletizing new forms of biomass is very challenging. Try it on your own and you won't have much hair left. That's for sure, it's much more of an art than it is a science. But you are watching this video, so you are in luck. Biotech Emporium understand the science of pelleting and we are artists in what we do, so there is no need for you to pull your hair out. We can go on and on about all the projects we have done in the past, but why dwell on that when there are so many new and exciting projects out there? Our business model is made up out of 3 different parts. At the core of our business model lives the full range of process and mechanical engineering services we offer. As you have seen earlier in this video, this is where Biotech Emporium excels in what we do. With many years of industry experience and a great passion for what we do, we have the answers for most of your engineering problems. Biotech Emporium has the credentials, experience and reputation to tackle any engineering challenge with great success. In addition to our core business, Biotech Emporium also offers a full range of pelleting equipment and spare parts. We are proud to be one of the only pellet equipment breaker yards in Africa. We offer used pellet equipment components as well as parts that are no longer available on the open market. Since 2012, Biotech Emporium have been the Southern African agent for Dutch milling technologies from the Netherlands. As an agent for DMT, we offer our clients some of the best European pelleting equipment and spare parts at very competitive prices. The third leg of our business is our earth-moving attachments department. Now, you may ask how that ties in with our main business, which is pelleting and granulation solutions. Well, the answer to that question is simple. If you want to remove biomass from the environment in an environmentally friendly manner, you surely need the correct tools to do so. This is where Biotech Emporium's earth-moving equipment attachments come into play. Our attachments are all designed to have the absolute minimum impact on the environment, thereby contributing to the overall environmentally friendliness of the project as a whole. At Biotech Emporium, we believe that the keys to success in business are credibility, integrity, and 100% commitment. These are the three key ingredients that showcase our expertise. We strive to provide our clients with investment security through high-quality services and products. Biotech Emporium believe in the constant development of new solutions to meet and/or exceed the requirements of a dynamic and demanding market. If you were looking for someone to help you get the most out of your pellet production line, contact Andre Extian today to find out how your business can benefit from Biotech Emporium's expert services and products. Please subscribe to our channel. Like, comment, and share this video. You can click on the preview windows above to see more videos from Biotech Emporium. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.